On the beach, people suddenly saw the sea retreating by 100 meters, which was clearly an ominous sign. Sure enough, in the next moment, someone noticed that a massive tsunami was heading toward the city. However, they didn't realize at that point that the tsunami was carrying thousands of zombies. Where did all these zombies come from? It all began several months ago on a small island, when a bottle of biochemical reagent leaked, causing a toxic white mist to spread quickly. Thousands of laboratory employees rushed out, knowing that if they were infected, they would become zombies. They surged toward the helicopter, hoping the boss would take them away. Little did they know, the boss had already decided to abandon everyone. With the research results in hand, he boarded the helicopter, donned a gas mask, and flew away. Driven by a strong desire to survive, some people desperately grabbed the aircraft's frame, trying to escape. However, as the plane swayed violently, those unable to hold on were thrown into the air, turning into meat paste. Seeing that the others couldn't be shaken off, the boss opened a case, disregarding the employees' pleas, and poured the red virus out. Inhaling it, the employees immediately mutated, falling out of the plane. Thus, the boss made his escape alone, leaving tens of thousands of zombies on the island. Everyone thought the vast ocean would trap them, but in their extreme hunger, the zombies began swimming into the sea. After drifting for months, they were eventually washed up on the city's coastline. When two fishermen discovered the sea was full of zombies, they immediately turned to report it. However, as they turned around in horror, they found an enormous tide of corpses had appeared behind them, with so many zombies that it was chilling. Terrified, they sped up, but the rising sea swallowed their small boat. Only then did the people on the shore realize that the water was filled with tens of thousands of zombies. The next moment, the city was mercilessly submerged. Yet, when the waters receded, people were horrified to realize that the real disaster was just beginning.